Alright, Thomas. We're just making the final checks. Check. 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 Thomas, you're all set. Good to go. Alright, get your bunker out of here.
Thomas was finally out of the works after a long stint out of commission. He was very pleased, especially to see Ginty, who took over for him. Soon he arrived at Elsbridge to find it in a bit of a mess. Ginty was there struggling to sort out the trucks, so Thomas puffed up to him.
Hello, Ginty.
Thomas peeped. Ginty stopped pushing and puffed back towards him.
Hello, Thomas. Glad to see you're out of the works.
So am I, but I must say, this yard is pretty disorganized. Why is that? You can't handle it?
Ginty sighed.
Well, no, it's not that. It's too much work, but the trucks are being more troubled than usual. Probably because of Josh.
Thomas was curious.
Who's Josh?
Josh is a small China clay truck, who apparently somehow manages to convince all the trucks and even sometimes the coaches to make shunting difficult. Therefore, work go at a terrible snail pace. It sometimes takes a whole day to move one train. Apparently he's been on the railway for years doing this sort of thing. The occasions are rare, but when they happen it's horrible.
Thomas, now hearing all this, felt sorry for Ginty.
Tell you what, Ginty. Let's sort out the yard, then I'll help you deal with this Josh.
And so, Thomas and Ginty got to work, shunting at Elsbridge backwards and forwards all day, until at last they got to the train where Josh was. They soon began their trip. Ginty backed onto the troublesome truck and detached him from the train. Oi! Why are you taking me off this train?
The Fat Controller said you've been causing trouble for too long and that you are to be scrapped as of immediately.
The truck was utterly horrified, but didn't show it. He slammed on his brakes to try and stop Ginty, but then Thomas came to push him. This made the truck helpless. They were nearing the yard exit when at last the truck caved in. Please, I'm sorry. I won't cause any trouble again. Just please don't send me to the scrap yard.
You promise?
Yes, please. And so, Thomas and Ginty left the truck alone. Their trick had succeeded. Soon there were no more days where it had taken eternity to shunt a train. As for Josh, he behaved better afterwards. A scarred and wiser truck.